to shape a healthy, happy dog starts right from paper training the dog. If you rub a puppy's face in their own doo-doo, the dog will take longer to train as the dog ages. So, instead, why not simply let the puppy dog sniff its own doo-doo, and then gently pick the puppy dog up and bring it to the paper. You'll be very surprised by the results of just how fast puppy dogs paper train when you let them sniff their own doo-doo. As the puppy dog ages, it can learn everything much faster, believe it or not. It's all about how you paper train your puppy dog. I know this to be true because I experienced that with my own puppy dog named Modi. He was fully paper trained within 3 whole days, tops. Now, here is the weird part. My dog actually ripped up the newspaper, letting me know he was fully housebroken. All dogs, big and small, puppy to adult, they all sniff their own doo-doo. Like all living beings, we all have to make mistakes to learn anything. Mistakes are very important byproducts in everything we learn, including animals alike. So, please reconsider how you paper train your puppy dog, because there are no undo buttons. Oh, by the way, this has nothing to do with our topic about more ways to create and use defined functions in Python. But please keep what I said as food for thought. So now, let's get into it, shall we? Here are more ways to create and use defined functions in Python. This Python programming topic does not include many comments about each defined function example. However, if you study any of my Python videos about defined functions, I explain in full detail about what they are and what they do. Everything I teach in Python, I do it in the form of programmer's manuals, not through actual Python teaching videos, where the person teaching is also viewed. Yet, what I teach in the form of manuals are complete, hands-on learning for hours on end. You can take your time and truly learn Python programming. Programmers' manuals have always been a stern must, especially in the old days, when the internet wasn't even a thought in the minds of most people, including myself, which also made information about computer programming hard to find, except in a library, or, if you bought a home computer back then, that came with a thick programmer's manual. That was the only way to learn computer programming if you couldn't afford to go to college or university. That was until the wonderful internet of all things came into being. Now we have the grand privilege to become self-taught programmers of any computer programming language we wish to learn, right at our fingertips. Imagine that. Let's go. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and my channel content about Python programming in general. I am almost a complete walking human computer science research laboratory machine on 2 legs.